Alrighty, now this is pretty well from the same impacts. So this is all the rock and remelted impact masses around the actual meteorite itself. So not only does it cook the rock that it is, but what the rock hits and pressurizes also cooks, especially between fragments. So the larger the impact, the greater the result. So you can see these were massive impacts. These are massive black diamond glass opals. So you can literally see that's black glass diamond with opalization through it. So you can see the shape, that's an impact diamond. See how it glows in the light? It's got a nice dark glass, semi-transparent with fossils and opalization through it, that one. So that actually looks pretty good, and you can see it's in layered, a melt layer, so it has the potential to have crystals in the guts, in the seams as well. So that's formed from impacts, that stuff. That is not volcanic, that is remelted iron. So it takes massive heat, massive pressure to remelt that stuff and make seams and pressure seams like that. That's a fact, that's a little pressure point. So that is most likely black diamond. You can tell by the shape of it. You see all the white sulfide in it too, all the white bubbles and black bubbles. So you got iron and nickel meteorite, same area where the impact hit. And this is a blended one, so you can see it's got like black and red swirl through it. So they also call these iron glass impact opals or impact diamonds. It's also been diamondized and they're very hard. They're metal. You got black diamonds, impact diamonds. No joking. So I've already semi-polished this one up. And you can see the shimmer already. So that is an iron black diamond from an impact. You can tell by the shape, the coloration, and the black, and the shimmer on the black. So you tell it's a diamond. How big's that one? It's a heavy one too. It's a big diamond, that one. So you also have different sapphire blends too in the same mix. So that's a yellow and blue sapphire. So these ones look really nice when they're polished. So there's yellow and blue sapphire, that one. There's a nice blue patch in the guts. I've still got to polish it down more. So that's yellow and blue sapphire. Impact sapphire. Also looks like it's been diamondized and squashed. So there's possibly diamondization in there as well. So that's another little one. Looks cool. That's polishing down too. I hand polish all these. So it takes a while to hand polish them down, but once they're hand polished, you can literally sell them as $1,000 stones. I haven't used any machinery to polish these down, so they are still intact. There is no fractures through them whatsoever. Just the natural fractures they already had. I'm very careful with my stones. So some of the ores in this stuff, you can see how that's a sulfur glass. You see all the sulfur speckles in it, so that's meteorite fragment. Some of the meteorite fragments are real grainy and they'll have a lot more sulfide in them, and you'll see the metal chips. You get that stuff and you grind it up and see what settles at the bottom. Humans are so primitive they can't see this now. That's a fact. Like literal dumb facts.